guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make this very simple no-bake Oreo cheesecake. The full recipe is at the end of the video and you can also check it out in the description box below. So let's get started. Add the Oreo cookies in a blender or a food processor and blend it until they become crumbs. If you don't have one, you can also place the cookies in a plastic bag and hit them with a rolling pin until they're crushed, like this. Add the melted butter. Then mix it again until the crumbs start to stick together. Then we're gonna transfer the Oreo crumbs into a springform pan and gently press it down to form an even layer. You can also use a spoon to do this. Pop it in the fridge while we make the filling. In a large bowl, add the cream cheese. Make sure it's at room temperature so you can beat it well and avoid any lumps. Add the sugar and vanilla. Beat the mixture with an electric mixer until smooth and creamy. Add the heavy cream, or you can also use thickened cream, and beat for a few minutes until it becomes thick. Last thing we're gonna add is the sour cream. And mix it until it's smooth. Scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl to make sure that all the ingredients get mixed properly. Then mix it one last time. Make Oreo chunks using your hands. Add the Oreo chunks in the cheesecake mixture and fold it until it's evenly combined. Grab the crust that we chilled in the fridge and spread the cheesecake filling over it. Flatten the top using a spatula or a spoon. Make it as flat as you can and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours. To decorate it, you can pipe swirls of whipped cream along the edges, like this. Looking good? And place halved Oreo cookies in between them. Here we go, we've got our no-bake Oreo cheesecake. Time to try it! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!